Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display a text field in React Native. So here, as you can see, this is the output on my Android device. The similar output you will get it for iOS as well. So as you can see, I have a text field whose border is black, and I have some placeholder text called type here, and here as you can see I can start typing. Also do make notice of this that there is a done button at the keyboard, so I'll also show you how to do that. So let's see how to get started. So first, just create a React Native project, and also I am using custom font. I have already made a video on how to integrate custom fonts without any third-party library in React Native, but I'll quickly show it to you as well now. So just open your Android folder of React Native app inside Android Studio, and here you will have to create an assets folder. Inside that, create a fonts folder, and you can just drag and drop your font over here. Similarly for iOS as well, as you can see, just drag and drop, create a fonts folder. Inside that, just drag and drop your fonts, but make sure this target membership is checked. Also inside info.plist, you will have to add this fonts provided by the application, and here you will have to write your font name. Next, inside app.tsx, I have just imported TextInput from React Native, so here you can use this placeholder. Also I am using this useState which will keep track of our input text. So I am using useState from React, and whenever the input changes, I am calling handle input change, which will make it a control component, so that I am using set input to whatever the user has changed its input to, and here I am displaying the value. Again, this input is used. To style it, I am using this style sheet.create input style. I'll come back to this in a bit, but in keyboard appearance I have kept it as default. Yeah, you can use whatever like dark, light, or default, whatever makes sense to you. For keyboard type, I am using this default as well, but there is decimal, number, name, phone pad. So yeah, again, use whatever makes sense to you. And as you know, I was talking about this a done button. So that done button comes from over here, the return key type. So depending on what you have entered for the return key type, that would be displayed inside your keyboard. Next, regarding the styling, so here I have created an input style. So the color of our text is red, then the font size is 30, font family specifico-regular, width I have kept it as 90%, and height I have kept it as 70. Border width is 2, border color is black, border radius is 10, and padding horizontal I have kept it as 10 as well, and justify content and align self I have kept it as center. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.